Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. I have a different lighting setup going on, so you guys are gonna have to tell me once you watch the video what you think. Also, I do have one hand painted and then one not. I'm playing around with gel actual nail polish, and I used gel nail polish on this hand and then I just used the base and top coat on this hand, and I was just doing an experiment. I know it might bother you, but I'm doing it for experimental reasons. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. I also have a super exciting sneak peek in a minute, and I'm so excited. I'll show you guys that at the end, but it is so cute. I'm so excited to show you guys finally. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. So I do have some foil items this week. Actually, let's go over the wiggle first. So this is the wiggle for the week, and I'm in love with it. I think they're gonna call this purple prism possibly, because it's like a purpley pink prism. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, you should be able to see it, especially in the top icon. It's so pretty. This is in the chunky format, and it's just such a pretty color, especially for spooky season. Let me actually show you on this one too, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, so pretty. I love prism. It's just so fun. So this has the regular chunky format. So you have the mixed selection of deco bits. You have the food and drink doodles. There is the circle icons and the date numbers. There's also 6 of these pages here, which have the headers, the half cut headers, which I'm actually using half cut headers as headers this week in my planner. Actually a couple weeks ago, but I'm working on it this week. And then you have the 2 full box overlays. You have 6 of those, like I said, the cutout icons and such, the script sampler, and then also the bottom washi 15mm strips. So that is the wiggle for this week. It is so pretty, and I thought it was really appropriate with it being purple and spooky. I think Kristen said that this would look really cute with, let me, hold on a minute. There we go, okay. That would look really cute with this kit here, so I'll go ahead and show you guys. Actually, I'll show you the foil items. I'll show you this, but I do think it would look really cute with this too. So we have that wiggle. I do have some scripts for this week, so let me pull these out. So this week, this was a really requested one, a sheet of happy birthdays. So I do have that in all 4 foils. And then also the film scripts. This has also been highly requested. And then I also did organize, which I don't know where the rose gold one went for this, but there is rose gold. I just is missing an action. So film, happy birthday, and organize. Love those. So those will be available in all 4 foils. And then we do have some kits this week. Actually, I'll show you guys the mini kit exclusive first. So this is actually a reformat from last year, and this is called This is Halloween. I just am doing it in a mini kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So first thing, you have the full boxes, which does feature the same art, but there are some new pieces that this artist Villa did bring out. So you do have Jack, Sally, Oogie Boogie, and then the kiddos. I don't know all their names. Honestly, I haven't watched Nightmare Before Christmas. Actually, I watched it, I think, parts of it kind of recently. I think Nick was watching it, but I think it's super cute. Super, super cute. And I love the pastel colors with the pops of the light kind of charcoaly black is really pretty. Deco page, your functional page, your mini kit page with, I love this pattern. It's in the bottom washi. This is a new pattern too, and it looks like Sally's dress with all the patchwork, which I just think is really, really pretty. And then for this, I did do that functional add-on. So I remember last year I did the same color, so if you have extras, you could totally use it with this and would match. But this kit is not in the color selection. This color is not in the color selection. It's the sidebar, but I thought it looks really good with it. And I also did it for the strip because I also think it would look really good there. But I did, for the mini kit for this one, do the functional add-on for the mini kit, and you have the little half box, quarter box, fancy label, and then you have little things. You guys seem to really like that when I did that with the last, I think I did it with Hocus Pocus, because there was a color that I really liked. And I also did it with, it was a fall one where I did the orange, and you guys seem to really like it, so thought I would do that freebie with this. And again, this is a mini kit exclusive, so it won't be available in Ultimate. There is an add-on if you want to add on the 15mm strip, if you want to add on the label sampler, and then also if you do want to add on the glitter headers. So that is This is Halloween. There is also spooky season. I don't know if I mentioned in this video, but I have mentioned elsewhere. This also does come in a mini kit. This will probably be my last week of Halloween unless I see art that like really wows me. But next week I have something extra special coming for you guys, and I'm very excited about it. It's been something in the works for like a really long time, but that's next week. I will do a whole video on it for sure though. So this is called Spooky Season, and I love this art. I thought it was just very like classic Halloween. This artist, Darcy, I feel like this is just her whole aesthetic. I feel like this is how her house, like how I imagine it to look. But I thought this was really, really cute and just kind of like really simple pretty with the marbles, so you could do marble multicolor with it. It really brightens up the kit, I think, and I love the girls. I just think they're so, so, so cute, and all of the decor. And then the extra boxes over here have just like a flat lay with like stickers, planners, some spooky stuff, and you could obviously use those separate or if you want to do them together. There's a deco page. I love these colors over here. So you have an orange, a gray, a pink, and then like the charcoal. And then there is that faux sprinkle of gold glitter throughout. You have your half box page, you have your icons page, your little things page, which I just love that page. And then the bottom washi, I went a little bit more like cutesy, just because I think it really matched the full boxes, and I think it'll be a really cute combo. The freebie for this one is the clear paper black scripts on clear paper would probably be a better way of explaining that. But that is the ultimate kit. It does also come in a mini kit. All these releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Let me go ahead and show you guys the add-ons. So the first one here is the bottom washi, which is a great one just to have, and it's like that like charcoal black color that I use. And then there is also the label sampler if you want to add that on. You have some girls. I did recolor this girl from a different set just because I really loved her, and I only used this art set as a monthly. But then I feel like you could kind of use like all three girls and kind of have like a look going on. And then there's also the glitter headers if you want to add those on with the faux gold kind of sprinkled throughout. And then last but certainly not least is Spooky Night. And I love this kit so much. I'm kind of like really thrown for a loop on what kit I want to use for Halloween week. I don't know. It's gonna be really, really hard to pick a kit for this, like for Halloween. It's just, I don't know like what I'm gonna do. I mean, they're between this one or Boo. I might use this for the week before Halloween and Boo for Halloween, but like both of them like really scream Halloween to me. But I feel like if you're full on Halloween, this would be a really pretty November kit too. Or if you just really like spooky stuff, it could be anytime. That's the great thing about Halloween is I feel like a lot of the kits, unless they're like full blown just trick or treat, they could kind of go anytime if you're into like the spooky vibes. So here's the full box page. I love these girls, this one especially, but I also just love like the kind of Corella-y vibes over here. I love like the tiered tray. I actually ordered a tiered tray because I just love them so much, and I think they can kind of go with like any style. The like lights throughout. I love this quote because this is so me. Whenever I got this art and like downloaded it, and I sent this to Kirsten, and I was like, oh my god, and she's like, I don't think I've seen anything more you. You got the movies, the candy, the Halloween Town sweatshirt, which is really cute. I actually watched Halloween Town last year whenever we were in Disney. I love the scene with the little spooky ghost pillow, the face mask you gotta have. I just love it. And I just love all the candy. I thought the details on that was really, really nice. And then the extra full box is over here. And oh, just look at these colors. They're so pretty. They're like very like, I guess like the orange and like, I don't know, they're conventional but like unconventional in a way. So the extra full box here is the girls watching Nightmare Before Christmas, and then you also have just like the like cutting up the pumpkin kind of vibes here, which I actually haven't done with Bennett yet, but I think he's gonna love it. You have the deco page. The faux glitter throughout is like has mostly black, but then has like sprinkles of orange and purple in it. You have the half box page, the icons page, the little things page, and then last but not least, the bottom washi, which I just love the tie-dye vibes. I just think they're so cute. Ever since like the Hocus Pocus kit that had so much like tie-dye prints in it, I just think that this is really pretty with like the 90s-esque vibes going on. There is the black scripts on clear paper freebie with both the mini and ultimate kit, and let me go ahead and show you all of the things that you can add on. There is also the mini kit, of course, but hold on, let's see. There is also add-ons. So there is the 15mm strip if you want to add this on. I think that this one's a little bit darker than spooky season it is. So the black in this one was a little bit more of like, it's almost like a more muted kind of blue tone black, and then this one's more like a charcoaly color. Just in case you were wondering, this one's darker. So that's for that. So this is the 15mm strip. You have the label sampler. There's also the glitter headers, which again has that like faux glitter throughout. And then instead of doing like fan boxes, I did kiddo boxes, but I feel like you could use them even if you didn't want to do kiddos. So I did do light, medium, and dark. And I think I'll probably have them like kind of listed how I have fams, where you just drop down and pick whichever one you want. But they all have the like kiddo here holding the, I mean, they're both kiddos holding the like treat bags. And then you have the kiddo with the pumpkin. And then last but not least, you have my beautiful artwork presented to you over here, which is just me. I just traced, I like messaged Jess and I was like, hey, I'm gonna try and draw a pumpkin, and she's like, good luck. But I actually just traced this one, this little confetti guy there. I just traced him because I have no artistic abilities. And then I also drew those stars. So that's about my capabilities. But obviously I made it look a little bit more messy, like a kid actually drew it, and like the markers was like, you know how markers do. I just think it's so cute. I'm definitely going to use it. I feel like people probably, like, whenever I posted that on Instagram, thought that Bennett drew it, because that's about my skill level. So that is all the recent releases for this week. Let me know what kit, I feel like I can't talk today. Let me know what kit you guys are using for the week of Halloween. I really want to know, if you are me, would you do Boo or would you do Spooky Night? I'm going to use both of them for sure. I just don't know which like week I'm going to use them. And I think I'm also going to be using Spooky Season. I really do love this one, but I did use this last year, but I do think it's like different enough I could also use it, and I think it would like break it up. So there was no drum roll there, but let's go over the exciting collab. So I am going to be showing you guys, this is the prototype, so I'm actually getting the like real actual planner on Tuesday, so I'm going to show you guys that one on Instagram, but you get the idea from this. So this is my collab with Estelle Tiki. I love her so much. We just spent like 2 hours on FaceTime today talking about like future things that we want to do, and I'm just so excited. Tiki is like a visionary, and I just think she's honestly the best. Her quality is like top notch, and we have been working on this since I think February, and I knew I wanted to do some kind of like fun like planner that had like an SPC touch, and we came up with I think the prettiest planner. So I've been sneaking this a lot. It is an A5 wide, so you can put like, you know, your inserts in there like how I do for my planner, and it's everything. So it's A5 wide. It is not obviously a cloud, it is a blossom, so it does have a flower print debossed in there, so you guys can see the print. I absolutely love this print. You guys are going to see it in the wiggle in a second. I love the pockets over here. These are going to be perfect for decorating, and I love the like punch out icons that match the pattern. There is the little emboss of, it says AE SPC, and I just think it's so pretty. You have your adjustable strap with your pen loop, you have the gold hardware, the SPC bow. This is the same bow that is on, I don't know where the pouch went, on our pouch that we did for our 6th year, and I just love this planner so much. So one thing that I did want to mention, well actually a couple things I want to mention. First of all, the rings are going to be bigger in this planner than they are in the cloud, so they are going to be 35mm versus the cloud's 30mm rings. So that's going to be great for really stuffing it, because I really do think that the cloud will hold, let me show you guys, will hold a whole year of stickered inserts. Let me show you what it looks like so far. So I've done, what, I would say 60-70% of the year so far, and I am on the first button. If I move to the second button, I still have plenty of room in there to stuff her up for the rest of the year. And I think I have more than like the rest of the year of inserts in here. So, but this is gonna like she's going to be nice and thick. So 35mm gold rings, and it's just so pretty. This is a custom PU color. It is hydrangea. That is the color name that we came up with because we kind of like thought blossom, flower, hydrangea, really pretty pink. And obviously we had to do gold because I just love gold. And then I'll just go ahead and leave all the pricing down below. It is going to be a bundle. There is going to be an SPC item in here, and I'm so excited to show you guys this because it is so pretty. So it will be a bundle because it is like a little collab, right? And this is the Wiggle to Match. So I'm so excited about this. It does come with like a little backer card that just has the print on it. You can kind of use it for crafting. And then on the back it is gray with the logo. The logo's only on the gray side, but I thought that was really cute, kind of hidden in there. So love that, just to kind of make it cute. And then I also designed a Wiggle to match this planner. So it is in gold, obviously, because I do love gold, but look at that 15mm strip. So you have the confetti version on top, and then like the regular larger version on the bottom. I brought home so many of these for myself because I needed them. You have the regular script sampler. There is the cutout icons, and then I did add on the bottom the Aura Estelle icon as well as Aura Estelle Happy Mail, which I thought was super cute, little nice touch. And then there's also these circle icons with the date numbers. There is the larger and smaller deco pieces. So I did take out the food icons just because I wanted to do like larger, because I think these would be so pretty to just put on full boxes as deco. And I just love these symbols with like the blossom pattern. These are the mini decos. You get tons of them. And then this here is the page that you do get 6 of. So this has the full boxes, the half cut headers, and then the regular headers. And I just love this so much. I think it matches the planner perfectly, and I am obsessed with it, especially in gold. I feel like it just looks so, so pretty. So that is the bundle. Again, I'm going to leave all of the information, pricing, as well as when it is going to go live. It's going to go live on Friday, and I'm just so excited to hear what you guys have to think, because this is the first Aura Estelle A5 wide that is not a cloud. So I'm really, really hyped about it, and I just think it's so pretty. I love this pink. I wish I had something kind of that to compare it to that like I feel like a lot of people have, but I don't really have anything pink laying around. I don't even have my other clouds here because they're at work, but it's just really pretty. I'm trying to think. Nope, I don't have anything pink. So, but anyway, it's just really pretty, and I love this pink. It's like it's definitely like a blue toned medium pink. I guess that's the best way of showing it. But I know Tiki did take a bunch of pictures that I will be reposting that do show like a really nice true to color. If this is not coming up true to color, but on the viewfinder it looks really nice. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you have any questions down below, but I'm so excited about this, and I hope that you guys love it. And again, this is just the prototype, so I'm going to show you guys the actual planner whenever it comes in on Tuesday on Instagram. But that is everything for my collab with Tiki Aura Estelle. I am so excited, and we definitely have so many cool things planned for the future. I love Tiki, and her stuff is just the best. That's everything for this week. Definitely follow Tiki on Instagram because she's also going to be doing some videos on the collab. I'll leave her Instagram along with her website down below so that you guys can follow along and check that out. And I will also leave more information in the description down below for you guys, because I am definitely the queen of forgetting things, and that's kind of my thing. That and like spelling things wrong. Yeah, you know, I'll learn one day. So that is everything, and I hope that you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!